Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one, because probably a very small amount of folks would be interested in this, but this is about Google My Business and messaging. So it looks like we're in the middle of October for 2019, and looks like they're in a stage of change. So what I was trying to do was change the messaging phone number. Now, this is not the business phone number. This is specifically the messaging phone number. And from what I understand right now, I just simply cannot do that. So to give you an idea, I go inside of Google My Business, and I'll put a link in the description below to Google My Business if you've ever been there before. Once you get there and you get logged in with the business that, with the account that either owns it or is a manager for it, you can then click on the left-hand side in messaging, and you'll see that the only way to do this is to go ahead and to install it from Google Play or the Google App Store on your phone. But of course, as a manager, this is going to be near impossible because I don't have the phone. Not only that, technically, I manage a bunch of locations for a bunch of different clients. So I can't get to their phone. At the same time, what about if you sell a business and you need to actually get in there and change? What happens if you've bought a business and you need to change it? Right, so it looks like Google is forcing us to go into download their app. And if you read the reviews on the app, it's really not good in the first place, but that's a little off track. So another thing I did was go into Google search, and I'll show you that here. So inside of Google My Business Help, I went ahead and did a search for messaging, and specifically I asked about how to change it. And you'll see how to turn it on, and all this again is through the Android or the iPhone. So it doesn't look like we can do this through the desktop. So you can turn on, turn off, block, delete, and find average response time. I really don't, none of that answers my question. Then I went into Google Community. I'll take you there. Here we are inside of Google Community, and even more frustrating, my language got changed to Chinese, but that's another story as well. And changes to it, right? It shows that through November 15th, looks like there's going to be some issues. And I don't know what they're going to end up with. So if you're stuck for this right now, I think we're all stuck. I sat on the phone with Google Help for about 20 minutes and got nowhere. So I don't think they have the answer either. So in short, if you are trying to figure out how to get to Google My Business in the Google messaging, to how to actually update that from a desktop, I don't think it's doable. And in fact, from what I understand, on the phone or tablet, you also cannot do it there. So if anyone has an answer to this, I would love it if you can throw a comment in below. That would be great to help out if anyone has the answer to this. Again, sorry to summarize, Google My Business and messaging looks like that it's in a state of change, or at least they're going to, even going forward, force you to use the phone to do this. And it doesn't look like even that allows you to change the number for messaging. All right, and I'll go ahead and put up on the screen to show you what the customer uses. So it has to be done on the phone, possibly on some different tablets, to be able to use Google messaging, to be able to contact a business through message. So if you've never seen it before, I'll go ahead and throw up here on the screen and show you what it looks like, what the person would see. If you need any help, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com, and you can contact us on the page, and we'll see if we can help you out through there. Thanks, guys. Hope it helps.